All right, so you got yourself a new Anycubic 3D printer. Now, if you guys notice, they don't come with video cameras, some of them, and you gotta add additional costs on that one. And so we end up buying one for our 3D Max 3, and I was very disappointed how it came out. I thought it was gonna be fully enclosed, and I know they advertised as this, and they were saying that they were gonna make it better, but in reality, this is a little bit more than what I thought I was gonna get. So it's supposed to be a 1080 on this one. All right, two LED small little lights, if you guys can see that. The cover's on right now because of course we don't want to scratch the lens too. Um, Long USB cable, one power connection, and that's pretty much it. This is all you get when you get and a screw. And I forgot, there's a screw. I forgot about that too. So you still have to download and build your own enclosure here. All right. So we did that. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to set this up right now and set it up. Now, this broke on me, but I'm never going to open it again. So once I set it up, it's a set and forget. Now, you could download this for free. Don't buy it. Download it for free. You are going to, get some stringing and so forth. So it's not that hard to, get rid of. Now, to set up, it's easy. All you got to do is drop it in here and it fits perfectly. All right. There's no other things that you have to do. Before you drop it in there, make sure you plug it in too. So we're going to do that first. Plug it in. Give it a little tug. Hey, let me do that. There it is. A little tug in there. And there's a camera. The camera has clearance. Now, there is an indentation here where you guys see it. But this is on the print. There's a lot of people building their own. You could set up your own. This is pretty. But I find this is probably one of the best ones because it actually goes with the whole system itself that you currently have. And then all you got to do is just click this in there, and that's pretty much it. So you can always reopen this one and you can always clean it out. In fact, I need to clean it now that I touched it. All right, so if you guys can see, there's a little indentation here, and that's where this goes in there, right? So it's a little, it scrolls down this way, so it has that area where it's going to be looking at. So let me put you guys down here for now. Or not, this is probably one of the hardest things I had to do because I don't have access to the back. How to do it, no eyes on the back. So we'll plug it in. Goes to the first USB here. All right, plug it in. Make sure I didn't unplug everything. Now we're gonna check the settings on our printer. Right, let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna go into printer here. You see it now? It came up, so you can't click on it. So we're gonna actually go check it out on our system, see if it shows up, but it actually showed up in there. I just came into my system and we have that play button here, and we're gonna see if we have the camera. So let's go ahead and play it here. I hit that play button here. Play is just pretty much gonna, and there it is. We have access to the camera. It's all set up. The hardest thing was just installing and printing out the stuff. That's inconvenient. I wish they had everything all included in one, but overall, it looks good. Now I'm able to see what I'm going to print, and I'm going to go ahead and start sending my prints to my workstation. So we are going to print something large. One thing I forgot to mention, that we're testing out the light. I turn off all the lights in there and it looks pretty good in there. I was surprised how it doesn't reach all the way to the back of the plate, just the front pretty much. Right now it's still heating up right now, but I can't see this end here. So you're only going to see pretty much a fraction of it, but the light, there it is. It's working, but it's not the brightest. It does the job.